Today, we're diving into a topic that's been buzzing around lately, the AstraZeneca application process. Is it reliable? Well, let's explore this together. Reliability of the AstraZeneca application process. AstraZeneca is a global leader in the pharmaceutical industry, known for its rigorous standards and commitment to innovation. Their application process is designed to be thorough, ensuring that only the most qualified candidates join their ranks. However, like any large organization, there can be occasional hiccups. Some applicants have reported extended waiting periods without feedback, while others have experienced more streamlined communications. It's essential to approach the process with patience and persistence. A theoretical review based on online research. Before we delve deeper, it's important to note that this review is theoretical, based on extensive online research. I've scoured various platforms to gather insights into the AstraZeneca application process, aiming to address common questions and concerns potential applicants might have. Here's what this is all about. The application process. Applicants typically submit their resumes through AstraZeneca's official careers portal. After submission, candidates receive an email acknowledgement and the application status can be monitored through their system. The recruitment team reviews applications and shortlists suitable candidates. Selected individuals may be invited for telephone or face-to-face interviews. Assessment centers. For certain roles, especially graduate programs, candidates might undergo assessments to evaluate various competencies. Communication. While some candidates receive timely updates, others have reported delays. It's advisable to regularly check the application portal for status updates. Let's discuss what you should know about this. 1. Patience is key. The application process can be lengthy. Some candidates have waited several months for feedback. It's crucial to remain patient and proactive. Cite turn search for. 2. Stay updated. Regularly log into the application system to monitor your application's status. Statuses like under review or assessment can provide insights into where you stand. Cite turn search. 3. Prepare thoroughly. If invited for an interview or assessment, review your application and the job description. Reflect on potential questions and align your experiences with the role's requirements. 4. Networking helps. Connecting with current or former AstraZeneca employees can provide valuable insights and potentially aid your application. 5. Feedback may be limited. Not all candidates receive detailed feedback post-application. It's a common practice in large organizations due to the volume of applications. 6. Technical issues. Ensure that your application is complete and all required documents are uploaded correctly to avoid any technical disqualification. 7. Tailor your application. Customize your resume and cover letter to highlight experiences and skills that align with the specific role you're applying for. 8. Follow up. If you haven't heard back within the expected timeframe, consider reaching out to the recruitment team for an update. My honest thoughts about it. 1. Thoroughness is a double-edged sword. AstraZeneca's application process is known for being meticulous. This means they take their time reviewing each application to ensure they bring in the best talent. On the plus side, this ensures high-quality hires who fit their needs. On the downside, it can feel like waiting for a text back after a first date. Days turn into weeks, and sometimes you're left wondering if they even saw your message. 2. Communication gaps can be frustrating. One of the most common complaints about AstraZeneca's hiring process is the lack of timely communication. Some candidates receive responses within a few weeks, while others feel like they've sent their application into a black hole. A little more transparency would go a long way. Imagine ordering a package and getting no tracking updates. Was it shipped? Did it get lost? Did the courier decide to keep it? That's how some applicants feel. 3. Highly competitive environment. AstraZeneca is a prestigious company, which means every open position attracts a flood of highly qualified candidates. It's like trying to get into an exclusive club, except instead of a bouncer, there's an AI-powered applicant tracking system, ATS, scanning your resume for the right keywords. If your application isn't optimized, you might not even make it to the first round. 4. Application status updates are a lifesaver when they work. One good thing is that AstraZeneca allows candidates to check their application status online. This can reduce some of the anxiety, but sometimes the status stays at under review for weeks, or worse, it never changes at all. It's kind of like watching a loading screen that never reaches 100%. 5. Limited feedback leaves applicants guessing. Many candidates never receive detailed feedback on why they weren't selected. This can be frustrating, especially if you make it to the final rounds. Without constructive criticism, it's hard to improve. It's like failing a test, but not knowing which answers you got wrong. How are you supposed to do better next time? 6. Global reach, more opportunities. AstraZeneca operates in multiple countries, so there's a chance you might find an opportunity in another location if your local branch isn't hiring. This is great for those willing to relocate. However, for those looking for remote options, AstraZeneca might not be the best fit since many positions require on-site work. 7. Professional growth is a major plus. AstraZeneca is known for investing in employee development. If you do get hired, you'll have access to excellent training programs, mentorship opportunities, and career progression paths. It's the kind of place where you can start in one role and with time and effort, move up the ladder. However, getting in is the hardest part. Number 8, company culture matters. Every company has its own work culture, and AstraZeneca's is known to be fast-paced and research-driven. If you thrive in an environment that demands innovation and collaboration, you'll fit right in. But if you prefer a more relaxed setting with fewer high-pressure deadlines, this might not be your ideal workplace. The pros and cons. Pros. Global recognition and job stability. Working for AstraZeneca looks fantastic on a resume. Plus, pharmaceutical companies tend to be relatively stable even in economic downturns. Cutting-edge innovation. AstraZeneca is at the forefront of medical research, meaning employees get to work with some of the latest technology and groundbreaking treatments. Career growth and development. Employees have access to mentorship programs, professional training, and opportunities for internal promotions. Diverse work environment. Being a multinational company, AstraZeneca fosters an inclusive culture with employees from different backgrounds. Competitive pay and benefits. Salary and benefits are generally considered above average for the industry, including health insurance, retirement plans, and paid time off. Application status tracking. Candidates can monitor their application status online, reducing uncertainty when it works. Cons? Lengthy and unpredictable hiring process. Some applicants wait months for a response, while others get hired quickly. There's no set timeline, which can be frustrating. High competition. With thousands of highly qualified applicants, standing out is tough. If your resume isn't optimized, it might not even be seen by a human recruiter. Limited communication. Many candidates complain about the lack of updates and feedback, which makes it hard to know where they stand in the hiring process. Not many remote positions. Most jobs require on-site work, which might not be ideal for those looking for flexible work-from-home opportunities. Feedback is rare. If you don't get selected, you're often left wondering why. The company doesn't typically provide detailed rejection feedback. Final thoughts on my recommended program. AstraZeneca is a great company with solid career opportunities, but the application process can be slow, competitive, and sometimes frustrating due to communication gaps. If you're patient, persistent, and well prepared, you might just land a role there. However, if you're looking for a faster way to build a stable income, I have something for you. I highly recommend checking out Jonathan Montoya's 3-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge. This program has helped many people achieve financial stability within a year by building an online business. The best part? It's beginner-friendly and doesn't require any prior experience. If you're serious about creating financial freedom, click the link below to learn more. Let me know in the comments, Have you applied to AstraZeneca before? What was your experience like? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next review. See you in the next one.